Hello children, welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to start with working on text and settings in MS Word part 6. In this video we are going to do a practical of adjust the line spacing between text or paragraphs, change the spacing before or after paragraph and change page margin. So let's begin the practical session. First we have to open the MS Word. Let us see the step how you will open a MS Word. Bring your cursor on a start button. This is your start button. Click on a start button. Now from here select all programs. After all programs click on Microsoft Office and select Microsoft Word 2010. Microsoft window will appear on the screen. Now open the desired document. How you will open the desired document or any file? This is the file tab. Click on the file tab. Go on recent document or use the open option. I will open this file. Just double click on the file. Now we will see the practical of adjusting the line spacing between text or paragraphs. Do you know children what is line spacing? Line spacing determines the amount of vertical space between the lines of text in a paragraph. And about the paragraph spacing, what is paragraph spacing? Paragraph spacing determines the amount of space above or below the paragraph. Now let us see the steps how you will use a style set to change the line spacing for an entire document. This is the home tab. Click on this home tab. Then go on style group. This part is called the style group. From here you have to select change style. Click on change style. Point to style set. From here you have to point to style set and point to the various style sets using the live preview. Here you can see the live preview. See how the line spacing changes from one style set to another. When you see a spacing that you like, click the name of the style set. Suppose I will select here simple. In this way, you can use a style set to change line spacing for an entire document. Now, let us see the steps to change the line spacing in a portion of the document. Select the paragraph for which you want to change the line spacing. Suppose I will select this paragraph, this much paragraph. Now, go on home tab. This is your home tab. Select the paragraph group. This part is called the paragraph group. From the paragraph group, select the line spacing option. This is the line spacing option. Click on this line spacing option and do one of the following. Click the number of line spacing that you want. From here, see you can see the preview. If I will select this 1.15, you can see the preview on your current document. From here, select one of the option. If you want to do manually, you have to select line spacing option. This is your line spacing option. Click on this line spacing option. From here, go on spacing option. This is your spacing option and here you can see the preview of your document page. From here, you can change the spacing. You can see the preview. If you want 1.5 lines, you can see the preview here. If you want double, you can see the preview here. Double means the option is twice that of single line spacing. If you will choose at least option, that means this option sets the minimum line spacing that is needed to fit the largest font or graphic on the line. And click on this OK option. In this way, you can change the line spacing in a particular portion of the document. Now if you want to change the spacing before or after a paragraph, let us see the steps. First click on the home tab, this is your home tab. Go on the style group, this part is called the style group, and click on change style option. Point to paragraph spacing, this is the paragraph spacing option, point to paragraph spacing option, and then click the option that you want from here. Click the option that you want and you can see the preview here on your current document. Suppose I will select this compact. In this way you can change the spacing before or after a paragraph. Now if you want to change the spacing before or after paragraphs, a selected paragraph. Let us see the steps. Select the paragraph before or after which you want to change the spacing. Suppose I will select this paragraph. Go on page layout tab. This is your page layout tab. Go on paragraph group. This part is called the paragraph group. Move on spacing option. This part is called the spacing options. From here you can change. If you want a spacing before a paragraph, just click here. Now if you change the spacing before or after a paragraph, a selected paragraph, let us see the steps. First select the paragraph before or after which you want to change the spacing. I have selected here this much part. Now go on page layout tab. This is your page layout tab. Move on paragraph group. This part is called the paragraph group. Under spacing, click the arrow next to before or after. First I will click on this before arrow. See the preview. You can see the preview here. And if you want the space after paragraph, just see here preview after a paragraph. In this way you can change the line spacing before or after a selected paragraph. Now if you want to change the page margin, let us know about the page margin. Page margins are the blank space around the edges of the page. Means if you want to change the left margin, right, this is your right margin, top margin and bottom margin. See the step how you will change the margin. Go on page layout tab. This is your page layout tab. Select the page setup. Go on page setup group. This part is called the page setup group. From here click on margin option. This is your margin option. Click on this margin option. A margin gallery will be appear on the screen. This is your margin gallery. Now click the margin type that you want to apply. For example, I will select this margin type. You can see the preview on your present document. Now if you want to create a custom page margin settings, let us see the step. Same process, go on page layout tab. Then go on page setup group. This part is called the page setup group. Select the margin, click on margin. A margin gallery will be appear. From this margin gallery you have to select custom margin. This is your custom margin. Select the custom margin. A page setup dialog box will be appear on the screen. Now enter a new values for the margin. From here for top you can enter the new value and see the preview. You can see the preview of your page here. If you want to increase or decrease left margin, just click here. From here you can increase or decrease left margin and you can see the preview here. In this way you can set the custom page margin. With this video we come to the end of the chapter. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.